Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download GTA San Andreas in Android in a legal way. It's simple and quick, just follow the video till the end. So first, let's go to the Google Play Store. Then, click the search icon. Go to the search bar and type GTA San Andreas. Then, click the game icon. This game is not free, so we need to pay for it. Basically, it's $13.20 in US currency. Then, click it. Before you can proceed, add your payment method. And after that, just select from the options. And after you confirm your payment method, you can now download it. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.